trade is high. What I'll do this session is I'll go through. I've only got a couple of trades that I've taken on the demo account. So we're actually up to 400 screenshots. That was from December last year. The first one was actually saved. 21st of December. Okay. How about that? 21st, baby. Okay, so we'll close that down. And then we'll do a analysis of just the trade that I've taken this week. And that's currently in a little bit of a drawdown. Can I click that without hitting the pause button? I can. Right, we'll go over that later. Alright, so this trade here ended on September 26th. This was held for a while actually and went into the 4th of November. It was a winning trade. This was actually not a bad little trade here. I made $260 out of a 10 grand account. That's not too, or just over, so it's not too bad. Alright. It was pretty volatile though. I mean, if you see, I think I closed this out with discretion. So what happened was when it breaches the 20-day moving average, which is the midline here that I use for the Bollinger Band, I'll close out the trade. Alright, let's get a greeny marker. Okay, so I've had a break. This this was downtrending pretty nicely on the daily as well. My realization was, so I got in here, was that, you know, we're pretty close, but I just thought I grabbed some profits. There was enough room where the stop loss was. The stop loss was up about here for me to you know, get some meaningful risk to reward at least. Okay. It's a pretty big move, and this was on the back of another winning trade as well. Actually, no, I think I won, and then I had a losing trade. Okay, so we're down there. And then there, I mean, the key thing here, though, is, I mean, look at that consolidation. I thought I'd have a bit of a battle with my hands, and then it would go down. But, you know, this is me being patient, so I'm happy with that. Sorry about the background noise. I'm just staying in a hotel here in Sydney. Bought a Peter's Masterclass on this weekend in Sydney. Nice little spot in Darling Harbour. Holiday Inn. Look, guys, and if you are on the forum and you watch this, I strongly recommend you get to it. I mean, it's not cheap, but look, I really learned a great deal from him face to face. So I strongly recommend you guys check it out. All right, we'll set that up later. So this is another winning trade as well. So I had to wait a while though. I mean, September to, you know, January, 5th of January. So that's some time. Another little 2%. Risking 2% and make 2% is not too bad. Terrible. And this one, you know, one of the things you've got to sort of realize is there'll be ebbs and flows. So that's what I was expecting, and I knew and see how it did sort of retrace a little bit. It didn't retrace enough. I sort of held on, and then it came back down and I closed down. So, you know, I was being patient. So I'll give it a smiley face. Got to be patient. Let the trade play out, guys. That's pretty important. Okay, so we set that up. And that's a key issue that I have, and I'll identify more tomorrow in the masterclass. And it's just coming up with some strategies to help combat my weaknesses. Because obviously, I mean, this one maybe I would have held. I mean, when did we take? I mean, this was in May, so this wasn't that bad. I mean, that's 10 days, 9 days, you know, so it's like 2 weeks max. So I'll probably hold on to this, but this one here, you know, in September, it'll be a bit of a struggle. So as you can see, there was a big gap between trades, which is ridiculous. But anyway, so we'll close that down, and now we'll go to the New Zealand dollar trade. So this won't be a quick video. It won't be a long video. Sorry. So I got in here. It was, I think this candle was forming, but I missed this one here. have been 5 pips below this candle, but that's regardless, you know, that's irrelevant now. So I got around here, obviously. It's not really, I'm risking less than 1% as well. So here's where we're at. I mean, it's making, it's sideways. So to me, it's waiting for a catalyst now, or else it's just going to go sideways for a while. So this could be a long-term position here, but I'm not fully loaded, so I've got another bullet to shoot off if I need to. Other than that, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll upload this straight away. Bye.